What's up everyone, Adam Ismail from Tom's Guide here, and we just received our Microsoft Surface Duo in the mail. This is hugely exciting. It's very early in the morning, but of course nothing gets you up for the day quite like getting a Surface Duo in the mail. This is one of the first devices to go out. I haven't yet used the Surface Duo. I haven't gone hands-on with it. I haven't even unboxed the thing. For that, I'm doing this video. I'm going to show you guys what you get when you get a Surface Duo. So, this is the box, and it is your standard box with the word Android on the back, which is obviously very strange for a Microsoft product. The various angles of the box, 256 gigs of storage in this particular model. We'll go ahead and open it up very carefully. And there it is, your Surface Duo. Always like a good box that just gives you the device up front. Doesn't make you sift through papers or anything like that. We're actually gonna put this down for a second. See what else is in here. You get a Surface Duo bumper, which is specially designed to protect your device. And given how expensive the Surface Duo is, about $1,500, that's something that you are going to want. Let's go ahead and see what is in this bumper. Yes, I think I saw this in some videos. It comes in two parts, it's pretty interesting. And this part's kind of rubbery. Yeah, these are not your ordinary bumpers. So we're gonna set those aside for now. And in here we have documentation there, I imagine, as well as the charger here. Always like a good labeled charger so you know exactly what you're getting before you open the box. This one is a little bit difficult to open. And it is a black charging brick, a USB-C one that is USB power delivery, 18 watts, just like what you get on the Pixel, just like what you get on the iPhone. So it won't be the fastest charging in the world, but will be fast enough for sure. And now that we have all of that on the way, we'll focus on the device. So, the Surface Duo. Let's go ahead and unwrap the outer layer here. And this is ooh, it's on the inside too. I'm gonna have to open it up then. And take it out. It's in the hinge, it's very interesting. So let's focus on the outside first. This, it's very strange to hold a device like this because it's wider than your typical phone, obviously. It's very wide because it's not meant to be held like this and used. I am in love with the hinge here. That is really, really clean, really nicely done. The camera's having a hard time focusing on it because it's so shiny and so bright. But I mean, just look at it, it's gorgeous. And then I like how the sort of metallic hinge and how glossy it is and everything and reflective is counteracted against the matte finish along the sides here. And along the sides we have our power button, we have our volume button, we have a fingerprint sensor and USB-C on the bottom here, and that's really it. It's a very clean, streamlined device. Go ahead and open it up, and that hinge feels very sturdy. Look at that. Your Surface Duo. Now, what's interesting about the Surface Duo compared to, you know, other folding devices I've used, whether you're talking about the Galaxy Fold or the Z Flip or devices with two screens, even going back to like the ZTE Axon M, is that there doesn't appear to be any stopping point in here. Microsoft, I mean, you can stop the hinge anywhere you want to stop the hinge, but it doesn't click to a flat position, which it seems to me is very deliberate because this isn't maybe the kind of device that you're necessarily going to want to hold like this. You're going to hold it more like a book. So yeah, it doesn't just click into place like you might expect from a foldable phone. but we'll go all the way around if you let it, and then you end up with this. But yeah, very simple, you know, flash up there, and I like how they made no effort to hide the flash at all. Bezels are rather chunky on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but as you know, we know this. We've seen pictures and video of the device from Microsoft to date. And yeah, this is pretty much a Surface Duo. As it stands right now, I cannot turn the device on yet and give you guys a look at how that experience looks. However, I can show you the outside, which is what I've done. And rest assured that once we have had the time to go hands-on with it, get a proper review in there, that will be coming your way. So this is a Surface Duo. I am initially impressed with the design. It's very light, you know, it's very thin, light considering its size. The thinness is really the most impressive thing. I mean, just look at that. I mean, no foldable phone is quite this thin. And granted, this might not have a flexible display, but even so. So very, very impressed by the build quality. I like how when it closes up. You actually can't even hear, there's no snap. It's almost like it's cushioned in some respect, and I don't really know where that cushioning is coming from, but it feels very premium. It looks very premium. I like how minimalist it is, and really all that's left to determine now is how the software works with the device, how it plays into the device, and kind of how Microsoft's vision for a two-screen phone really plays out here. So we're going to be checking out all of those things and getting back to you guys with the review. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I am very excited to check this out. This has been Adam Ismail for Tom's Guide, Microsoft Surface Duo. See you later.